Good afternoon, everybody. So, thank you. So, after doing explosive films like RRR and Bahubali, so this is my debut in Kannada with along with Kiriti. So that is a proud moment for me. So yes, ma'am.
Sir, every time we watch your work on screen, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಜುವಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ವಿ ಲಿವ್ ದ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಲವ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್? ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಆ ಜರ್ನಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು?
It has been a very great experience working on this film, like working with Ravi sir, with first film with Devi. So and thanks to Sai Garu that because of him I am in this film. So like after RRR and Bahubali, like RRR, like Sai sir like wanted me to do this film. So when I heard the story, I was very impressed, and it is a very intimate story, which is like it happened. See, like if you see RRR and all, it happened to someone else. We are watching the film, but Junior is a film which happened to us, which can happen to someone we know. So this is a very personal, very film. It is a very fresh, intimate film and explosively, what I can say, emotional film. So I am actually very proud to be a part of this film. And one thing about Kiriti is like when I'm working with Kiriti, it never felt that he was doing the film for the first time. He was like, was like working with someone who has experienced, done so many films. So his everything like acting or like stunts and his dance and all. You will see on the 18th that what he is made up of.
He's not a junior.
He's definitely not a junior. He starts off with a junior, so that's the way to do. He starts off with junior, and I think he's going to be there probably like if I am not skipping the gun, he will most probably rule the industries for some time. So like that is his potential. So every step he takes has to be this was a very perfect launch for him. I think it's going to be a perfect launch for him. From this step, he has the potential. Now, God bless him, and this hope that this film works. And we need all your blessings. So for this film, and one thing like it was really a very great experience working with Ravi sir. So we used to have very good chats in between the shots. So I am very amused that even after doing so many films, he's like a student and he wants to learn like so many things. So we were talking about AI and all. He's like so now he's like doing so many things in AI. So probably I don't know, like he was just telling like he does all his music in AI nowadays and all. So it's actually like sir, looking forward to work with you more, sir. Thank you everybody, and thanks Vijay. Like Vijay, you all know Vijay choreographed the most famous song of Devi sir, that Uvantava. So he is the choreographer. So we are fortunate to have him on board. So we have a great technical team who has put in 100% in every thing. And not least, but the last, Devi Sri Prasad sir. What can I tell about him? We all know he is like one of the legend. And what I'm amused is like with every song, it is not like he's been doing so many songs. But for every song, the kind of intimate conversation which he has with the director, and he is so passionate that he wants every song to be like to reach the soul. He wants to capture what the moment of this film is and all. So he is like a great blessing to this film, and I think with his background music he is going to elevate whatever we have done. So we are looking forward for that. Thank you everybody.